Video I'm going to discuss some problems on Laplace transformation. Now let us consider the first problem. Evaluate Laplace transformation of t square minus 3t plus 5. Let us move to the solution. Let f of t is equal to t square minus 3t plus 5. Now let us take the Laplace transformation of f of t. So now Laplace of t square minus 3t plus 5. So that can be written as Laplace of t square minus 3 is constant, take it outside, into Laplace of t plus 5 into Laplace of 1. So you know the Laplace transformation of some standard function. Laplace of t power n when n is positive integer, so that is n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. Here n is 2. So therefore Laplace of t square can be written as 2 factorial by s cube minus 3 into here t power 1 where n is 1 here. So 1 factorial by s square plus 5 into Laplace of 1, that is 1 by s. So this can be written as 2 factorial is 2, 2 by s cube minus 3 by s square plus 5 by s. So this is the Laplace transformation of t square minus 3t plus 5. Now let us consider the next problem. Evaluate Laplace transformation of 1 by 2 into t cube plus t square minus 1. Here f of t is equal to 1 by 2 into t cube plus t square minus 1. Now let us take the Laplace transformation of f of t, where f of t is equal to this function. Now Laplace of 1 by 2 into t cube plus t square minus 1. So that can be written as by using linearity property of Laplace transformation. 1 by 2 into Laplace of t cube plus Laplace of t square minus Laplace of 1. So this can be written as 1 by 2 constant Laplace of t cube by using the Laplace of t power n is equal to n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1, where n is a positive integer. Anyway, 3 is a positive integer. That can be written as 3 factorial by s to the power of 4 plus Laplace of t square is 2 factorial by s cube minus Laplace of 1. So where 1 is constant, that is Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So this can be written as 3 factorial can be written as 6 by 2 s to the power of 4 plus 2 by s cube minus 1 by s. So this can be written as, so 2 3s are, that is 3 by s to the power of 4 plus 2 by s cube minus 1 by s. So therefore Laplace transformation of 1 by 2 into t cube plus t square minus 1. So that can be written as 3 by s to the power of 4 plus 2 by s cube minus 1 by s. So let us consider next problem. Find the Laplace transformation of 2 into e power 3t minus e power minus 3t. Let f of t is equal to here 2 into e power 3t minus e power minus 3t. Now let us take the Laplace transformation of f of t, where f of t is equal to 2 into e power 3t minus e power minus 3t. So now Laplace of 2 into e power 3t minus e power minus 3t is equal to 2 into Laplace of e power 3t minus Laplace of e power minus 3t. So you know the Laplace transformation of some standard function. So we know that Laplace of e power at, so that can be written as 1 by s minus a. Similarly, Laplace of e power minus at, that is 1 by s plus a. So by using these results, we can find out the Laplace of e power 3t as well as Laplace of e power minus 3t. So 2 into Laplace of e power 3t is here 1 by s minus 3 minus Laplace of e power minus 3t is 1 by s plus 3. So here s minus 3 and s plus 3 is LCM. S minus 3 into s plus 3 is the LCM. So then 2 into s plus 3 we can write minus 1 times of s minus 3. So this can be written as 2s plus 6 minus s plus 3 by s square minus 9. So this can be written as s plus 9 by s square minus 9. So this is the Laplace transformation of 2 into e power 3t minus e power minus 3t, that is s plus 9 by s square minus 9. So this exists when s is greater than 3. Consider the next problem. Find Laplace transformation of sine square kt. So now let us take f of t is equal to sine square kt. So now Laplace of sine square kt. So but here we cannot find out directly Laplace of sine square kt. So that can be written as Laplace of 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 kt. So this implies 1 by 2, take it outside. Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 2 kt. 1 by 2 into, Laplace of the constant, where 1 is constant, Laplace of 1 is 1 by s minus, so the Laplace transformation of some standard functions by using Laplace of cos at. Laplace of cos at is s by s square plus a square. Here where a is equal to 2k here, so Laplace, therefore Laplace of cos 2 kt can be written as s by s square plus, in place of a we have 2k, that is 2k whole square. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus s by s square plus 4k square. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, s into s square plus 4k square. So let us cross multiply s square plus 4k square minus s into s square plus s square minus s square get cancelled. So that is 4k square and 4 and 2 get cancelled here. So remaining 2 will be here, 2k square by s into s square plus 4k square. So therefore Laplace of sine square kt can be written as 2k square by s into square plus 4k square. So this is the Laplace transformation of sin square kt. So now let us find out Laplace of cos square kt. Let f of t is equal to cos square kt. Now let us take the Laplace of cos square kt. So we don't have Laplace transformation of cos square kt directly. So therefore cos square kt can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 kt. So now we take the Laplace inside, 1 by 2 take it outside, Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos 2 kt. 1 by 2 into Laplace of 1 is 1 by s plus Laplace of cos 2 kt is s by s square plus 4k square. So let us take the LCM, s into s square plus 4k square. So 1 into s square plus 4k square in the numerator plus s square. So this implies s square plus s square 2s square and plus 4k square, 2 get cancelled. So remaining s square plus 2k square divided by s into s square plus 4k square. Therefore Laplace of cos square kt, that is equal to s square plus 2k square by s into s square plus 4k square. Find the Laplace transformation of sin kt into cos kt. Let us take f of t is equal to, that is sin kt into cos kt. So now Laplace transformation of f of t can be written as Laplace of sin kt into cos kt. So there is no Laplace transformation of sin kt into cos kt directly. So let us modify this function. So you know that sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x, that is sin 2x. So this can be written as sin x into cos x, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 2x. So this implies, therefore sin kt into cos kt can be written as 1 by 2 into sin 2 kt we can write. So therefore this is equal to Laplace of, by using this formula, 1 by 2 into sin 2 kt. So now take the 1 by 2 constant outside, Laplace of sin 2 kt. So Laplace of sin 2 kt using Laplace transformation of some standard elementary function. So we know that Laplace of sin at, so we derived the formula a by s square plus a square, here where a is 2k here. So therefore 1 by 2 into 2k by s square plus, where a is 2k, that is 4k square. So 2 get cancelled. So k by s square plus 4k square. Therefore Laplace of sin kt into cos kt is k by s square plus 4k square. So this is the Laplace transformation of sin kt into cos kt. So now let us consider the next problem. Find the Laplace transformation of f of t, where f of t is equal to first function t when t lies between 0 to 4, and second function is 5 when t is greater than 4. So here Laplace transformation of f of t will exist even the function f of t is discontinuous also. Here you can observe that function f of t is discontinuous at t is equal to 4. So provided the integral of f of t will exist. Now let us move to the Laplace transformation of f of t. So you know the definition of Laplace of f of t. So that is Laplace of f of t can be written as integration from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. So this can be written as integration from 0 to 4 e power minus st into f of d dt plus 4 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. Here f of t is equal to t for the interval 0 to 0 less than t less than 4, and f of t is equal to 5 for the interval, so 4 less than t less than infinity. So therefore Laplace of f of t, so that is equal to integration from 0 to 4 e power minus st into f of t is equal to here t into dt plus integration from 4 to infinity, corresponding function is 5 here, e power minus st into 5 dt. So now let us integrate these functions. So here we have product of two function e power minus st into t. We can apply the integration by parts. So where first function is t and e power minus st is the second function. Therefore second function is integrating term, first function is differentiating term. So let us apply the integration by parts to integrate this function, first function. So first function t into integration of second function, that is e power minus st by minus s minus differentiation of first function 1 into integration of this function, means e power minus st by minus s, that is e power minus st by minus s whole square. So we have already minus s here, so once if you integrate this function minus s into minus s, that is minus s whole square, plus differentiation of 1 is 0, so that you can stop that integration by using the by parts. So let us apply the limits 0 to 4 plus 5 is constant, integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s, limits is 4 to infinity. Now let us apply the upper limit 4. So e power when t is equal to 4, that is a minus 4 by s e power minus 4s, where our t just take 4 minus, that is minus s whole square, that is plus s square, 1 by s square into e power minus 4s. Then let us apply the lower limit is 0. When t is equal to 0, 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 by s square into e power 0 is 1, plus that is minus s into plus, that is minus n here, minus 5 by s. Let us apply the upper limit infinity, e power minus infinity is 0, minus e power minus 4s. So this implies this is equal to minus 4 by s into e power minus 4s minus e power minus 4s by s square, minus into minus plus 1 by s square, minus into minus plus 5 by s into e power minus 4s. Here minus 4 by s into e power minus 4s plus 5 by s into e power minus 4s, so that is 1 by s into e power minus 4s minus e power minus 4s by s square plus 1 by s square. So therefore Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 by s into e power minus 4s minus 4s by s square plus 1 by s square when s is greater than 0. Find the Laplace transformation of f of t, where f of t is equal to sin 2t for the interval 0 to pi, and function f of t is equal to 0 for the interval t is greater than 5. So that is 5 less than t less than infinity. So let us use the definition of Laplace of f of t. So that is Laplace of f of t. So that can be written as integration from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. So interval can be splitted into two subintervals, that is 0 to pi and pi to infinity. So this can be written as integration from 0 to pi e power minus st into, where f of t is equal to sin 2t into dt. Then for the interval t is greater than 5, it means pi less than t less than infinity. For pi to infinity, the function is 0, e power minus st into 0 dt. This interval becomes 0, the function is 0. So this can be written as integration from 0 to pi e power minus st into sin 2t dt. So now let us integrate the function e power minus st into sin 2t with respect to t. So you know the formula, integration from e to the power of at into sin bt dt is equal to e power at by a square plus b square into a sin bt minus b cos bt. So therefore let us integrate the function e power minus st into sin 2t, where a is equal to minus s and b is equal to 2 here. So therefore e power minus st by minus s whole square plus 4 into, where a is equal to minus s into sin 2t minus 2 into cos 2t. So interval is 0 to pi. So you take the constant outside, 1 by s square plus 4 into, let us apply the upper limit when t is equal to pi, that is e power minus s pi into minus s into sine 2 pi, that is 0, minus 2 into cos 2 pi is 1, minus of, then let us apply the lower limit when t is equal to 0, that e power 0 is 1, again sine 0 is 0, minus 2 into cos 0 is 1. So this implies 1 by s square plus 4, that is minus 2 into e power minus s pi, then minus into minus plus 2. We take 2 outside here, 2 into 1 minus e power minus s pi divided by s square plus 4. So therefore Laplace of f of t, where f of t is equal to sin 2t for the interval 0 to pi and the function is 0 for the interval t is greater than pi. So that is Laplace of f of t is equal to 2 times of 1 minus e power minus pi s divided by s square plus 4, where s is greater than 0.